Hey, liberal arts math, how's it going? Mr. Lentz here, just getting you another checklist video for the week. We're going to do 12 topics again, the 120 minutes, and the upload your work. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up that this week I got to put in progress reports. So I need to put those in by Wednesday. So if you got missing work or work that needs to be made up, make sure you get it in before Wednesday, and I can update that for you. I am going to be reaching out to parents this week about missing grades, missing work. So just a heads up, if you got some missing stuff, I might be giving your folks a call, okay? But other than that, we have just a little over a month left. So you're almost there. I encourage you to keep up the good work. Keep asking good questions. People have been reaching out. That's always great. So you're doing great. Keep it up. And I will see you next time. Please, if you need anything, you know where I'm at.